Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Please, therefore, leave for the north immediately, without letting your relatives know, for soon that time will approach which will diminish the good qualities of men. One can compensate for a life of frustration by becoming a deer, or leaving home for good without communicating with relatives, and Vidhur advised his eldest brother to adopt this way without delay, because very quickly the age of Kali was approaching. A conditioned soul is already degraded by the material association, and still in the Kali Yuga, the good qualities of a man will deteriorate to the lowest standard. He was advised to leave home before Kali Yuga approached, because the atmosphere which was created by Vidhur, his valuable instructions on the facts of life, would fade away due to the influence of the age which was fast approaching. To become Narottam, or a first-class human being depending completely on the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, is not possible for any ordinary man. It is stated in Bhagavad Gita that a person who is completely relieved of all taints of sinful acts can alone depend on the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. Dhritarashtra was advised by Vidhur at least to become a deer in the beginning if it were impossible for him to become a sannyasi or a Narottam. Persistently endeavoring on the line of self-realization helps a person to rise to the conditions of a Narottam from the stage of a deer. The deer stage is attained after prolonged practice of the yoga system, but by the grace of Vidhur, one can attain the stage immediately simply by willing to adopt the means of the deera stage, which is the preparatory stage for sannyas. The sannyas stage is the preparatory stage of Paramhamsa, or the first-grade devotee of the Lord.